Welcome to Pip Insight. Thursday the 9th of July, Asian Pre-Open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian Pre-Open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Kiwi dollar, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure: dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here's where things stand heading into the Asian Open. Gold is sitting at $4,133, essentially frozen at the intersection of a short-term recovery and a broader structure that still leans bearish. The H4 chart has printed a sequence of higher lows since the sell-off bottomed out around $4,032 on the 8th of July. That's encouraging on the surface, but the recovery is losing steam right beneath the $4,148 resistance zone. Price has been compressing into tighter and tighter candles up there, which is classic consolidation behavior, and the RSI hovering just under 50 tells you the market genuinely hasn't made up its mind yet. Below, the EMA cluster around $4,117 is providing a near-term floor, and above that sits the $4,200 area as a broader reference. The macro picture remains capped by the EMA 200 all the way up at $4,250. Gold is still roughly $117 below that level, which matters structurally. On the fundamental side, US unemployment claims at 8:30 Eastern could nudge the dollar and, by extension, gold. A weaker number tends to lift the dollar and pressure gold. Then Fed's Williams speaks. Watch his tone on rate expectations because any hawkish lean could reinforce that ceiling. For this session, the levels to watch are $4,148 to $4,150 on the upside, and $4,102 down to $4,065 on the downside if support gives way. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The moving averages are fanning above price. Resistance is marked between 1.1 for 8 and 1.1 for 5.1. Support is marked between 1.1 for 1.4 and 1.1 for 2.1. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.3 for 2.5 and 1.3 for 2.93. Support is marked between 1.3381 and 1.3385. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing tentative bearish structure on this session. The 1 hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8075 and 0.8085. Support is marked between 0.805 and 0.8058. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5764 and 0.5765. Support is marked between 0.5748 and 0.5751. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.4179 and 1.422. Support is marked between 1.413 and 1.4155. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 217.82 and 218.01. Support is marked between 217.4 and 217.535. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.